Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Today, I just got my exhaust. Let me go get it. Cool. Now you may be wondering, which exhaust did I order? Let's put the thing on a chair and open it up. You just woke up. Man. These lights are very in your face type of stuff. Better? I guess so. Alright. Probably thinking to yourself, damn, that's a really small box, Miguel. What kind of exhaust did you order? And don't you have an emission test coming up? Yes, I do. Do I care? Yes, I do care. Okay. Here's the big reveal. Oh, packing peanuts. Nice. Wow, that's a lot of packing peanuts. Alright, I guess you can see one pot. I didn't want to make a mess. Okay, so I guess you guys can see. Oh no, packing peanuts got into the exhaust. Oh. Alright, so let's take out the first. Okay. Okay, we're dropping a lot of packing peanuts. That's not what I want. But alright, let's take out this one. All the packing peanuts out. All out. Yeah. Okay. Bam. Put this over here. Here. Okay. The exhaust that I went with. Man, why do I say so much in the videos? Have you guys noticed that? I say so a lot. So the exhaust that we went with was 2JRACING's V3 side exit exhaust. And here we are. Oh, that's upside down. And here we are. And there you guys have it. We got the 2JRACING side exit exhaust V3. Now I believe in here they also threw in, I also ordered another part. Yeah, now cut to the day where we're installing the exhaust on the B15. Now we're in the garage and we're gonna be installing the 2JRACING side exit exhaust. So if you guys are new to the channel, go hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell and like the videos so you never miss any of our new updates. So right now I'm just waiting for David to come into the garage right now. So while I'm waiting for him, we are going to be eliminating something with the radiator. I know I have pretty much a mess on top of the car, man. But basically I got some cool looking brackets that are right here. And they are from SC Concept, so if you guys want to go get anything from them, all their stuff is basically handcrafted and it's amazing quality. I mean, in my opinion, they're amazing. So these are their new radiator brackets that basically eliminate this big bracket right here, and then this is their new one where they were actually able to add in the clip for the hood prop. I mean, just look at these. They're nice. So let me put them on the car and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Out with its old big old bracket. Now we got the SC Concept radiator brackets and strut mount bolts, and they look pretty fire. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put these two out of the way. But there you are. Titanium right there. And the SC one's right here.
Brings the radiator way closer.
they're still functional because we're still able to put the hood prop onto it. Definitely a good one. Now is that time we've all been waiting for. It's time to slap on that 2J Racing exhaust. Oh yeah, and also David's here.
What's up?
So now we're just getting the car a little bit higher in the jack stands, and we're gonna be putting the 2J Racing side exit exhaust. But first we gotta take off the old exhaust.
Get yourself your little board or cardboard. You're gonna go underneath. So you want to take off the 2 bolts on these 2 sides. That will drop off. You want to force this out of the little mount, out of the bushing. That pops out, and then all the way at the other side of the end. And that should be about it. And basically the way it would go would be this. Is from the bolt that we're gonna take off in the middle. This is a little arm that goes onto the bushing that we're about to take out. And that's the end. So that, I don't think you have a extra mount.
It comes with a mount.
Ah, true. But yeah, let's look how clean that is in the inside. Like, wow. But anyway, let's get to that and see how good this new exhaust sounds. Now that the pipe is off, Miguel took way longer than he expected, so I took a little nap. But now it's off. So now it's the best time to grab the new one, hand it over to Miguel.
Inside that carbon bar is the gaskets.
Oh, true.
Inside the one that you just passed yesterday.
All right. Let's see these goodies. So you get new bolts and also the back. The funny part about this one, these never came with the back bolts, so it was just the 2 top screws, and then these I believe is for the back end of the exhaust to connect the other 2. And what else do we got? We got bushings.
Oh, those are my shifter bushings.
Ah, okay. Forget about that, guys. And now we have the new the other mount for the exhaust tip. More 2J Racing stickers and some packing peanuts. All right, let's get to it, guys. Big boy's finally on.
Yeah, the big boy is on. And yeah, so before you guys say anything, this is a mid pipe right here, and we're getting one from 2J Racing as well, but one with a cat because I don't want my car to be stupid loud. So I'm getting one with a cat. This one already has resonators, one right here and then the one back there. So we're not gonna be needing another resonator, we're gonna need a cat. And then we're getting 2J Racing headers as well, the Medusa headers. So we're gonna be pretty crispy. Okay, so see, I keep on doing that okay part. I always begin the video with okay. But so the way that you have to install the 2J
Oh, sorry, sir.
the way you gotta install the 2J Racing side exit exhaust is you basically gotta take off. Let me show you guys. You basically gotta take off this bolt right here from the bushing from the rear subframe basically, and then this will bolt on back there, and then the exit exhaust would connect to the mid pipe and then come out this way. And I am gonna go with the stealthy look so that way you can't see the exhaust. So it's gonna be like in here like that. I know there's a option where you can go like that a bit more, but we're not gonna do that. And thank you to our new subscriber. Let's see who is our new subscriber. New subscriber's name is
Alms.
I'm sorry if I pronounce this wrong, bro. Alms Valdez.
Thank
you, Valdez. Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for the support. We appreciate it.
We appreciate you, man. Go follow us on Instagram so you can see all all the behind the scenes with David and Sam.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, we're gonna make a trip to Home Depot right now and get what we need, and then yeah.
Now that we just came back from shopping,
that store called Harbor Freight, your best friend. You know, we finally got a new little.
We got the nice one. Unfortunately, this one, the wheel started to break off and it wasn't moving, so this is going to the trash. We ended up also getting a few new wrenches and a new few ratchets, sockets, organizers for the shop. That way it could be a little bit more organized.
Yes, sir. Because you know how it be. We always be having a messy ass garage.
It goes underneath the car now.
Ooh. And put it and press the button to go up. No, it went down. There you go. Okay. All right. So you see how clear it looks now? Because we got a light that basically goes with the camera. But that's not the point. The point is, all right. Put the exhaust on right now, and next thing you know, we're gonna hear a sound clip.
Now that the exhaust is fully on and fully bolted in, Miguel is now gonna do a full test. You guys are here to see first witness to how the 2J Racing sounds.
Here we go.
One more. There you guys have it. The first ever 2J Racing installation exhaust. That's satisfying. So if any B15s are out there and looking to get the 2J Racing exhaust, we highly recommend it.
Hell yeah. She sounds dope. I still hate the whining though. Successful install on the 2J Racing side exit exhaust. Now we're gonna go pick up some new parts that we got for the B15. We got headers. Alright guys, so we were able to put the exhaust on and you guys already heard the sound clip and it sounds amazing. Sammy, how does the exhaust sound? He only has that to say, but I'm gonna be putting on the seals, well the new ones for the shifter cables, which are located right basically right here. I can't show you guys. I'll show you once I take all this off. Alright guys, so I already put the new bushings on for the shifter cable, and now the reason why I changed them was because when I put the Vision 1 springs, the guy did tell me that I should upgrade my bushings from rubber ones to hard ones, if that makes any sense, just so they don't wear out that fast, and you know I have a better shifter. So now, bad news again. I feel like I give you guys a lot of bad news. What do you think, David? Think we give him a lot of bad news?
Well, yeah. Well, we try to fix my car. My car just won't run. There's a lot of problems that we're fixing that one little by little. Now, another problem that we've noticed on all calipers, for example, on mine, we were trying to basically swap it from since his bushing ripped, has like a little tear. We were deciding, oh, we'll just grab one and we'll put it on. But we just noticed when I was trying to put it on, when he powder coated them, he literally sealed this and it was all dented and see right here, guys. So he actually did a really bad job, unfortunately, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to, what is that, helicoil?
Yeah, helicoil.
Helicoil them to rethread them. because they're actually fast.
Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, go hit that subscribe button and like the video. Go share with your friends, family. Huh? Well, he was able to put it back in. So yeah, so now we're just gonna wash the cars, you know, do what we always do. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of us, go hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 200 subscribers. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it. Before I forget, we did get something for the car today. The reason why we drove all the way to Wisconsin, and it's because I don't think you guys can see him. Hold up. Let me put him somewhere else. We got some Medusa headers from 2JRACING as well. Those are gonna be on the car. We just need a little bit more parts for the alternator and the radiator, and we're gonna be able to slap those babies on.